Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Bot Trade Academy. Victor with you, and we are having an update on the Euro versus Japanese yen currency pair, and we will have another idea also Japanese related, which is Australian versus Japanese yen. Before we start, I would like to remind you all the information here is just for educational purpose only, should not be considered as a financial advice. I will quickly run through all the ideas. EURJPY has been basically kicked out, which could result in the EURJPY also moving up. So this idea got invalidated, price went above this resistance, so it's no longer valid. In regards to Australian Swiss franc, we're slightly above the entry point, so in profit, still expecting the uptrend. Australian Canadian dollar below the entry, but still valid idea, expecting the rally. The Euro Japanese yen, why it does look suspicious is because of this rejection of 127.2 fips. It was a very clean bounce, as you can see, and if this 4-hour candle will close above this level, this means that the price is likely will go up. So this idea basically either stop loss at the break even or fixing the profit. And the Euro Australian dollar, this was today's idea, and we're still expecting this fast move to the downside. You can see price has been consolidated during the day, but overall starting to move lower. And finally, Australian versus Japanese yen. I will go to the daily chart just so you see this uptrend trend line. There was a resistance, became support, so I used this point to draw my trend line back from this point, because this was the initial bottom, as price didn't break and close below. It was only a spike lower. Back to forward chart. Here we can see this clean bounce of the trend line. Another thing that we are talking about is the strength of the Australian dollar, and this actually helps here because strength of the Australian dollar, Japanese yen, Euro Japanese yen found the support, so this could be quite a nice move to the upside on the Euro Japanese yen. The exit of this trade would be obviously if price manages to break lower than this low, and ideally forward close below would invalidate this idea. In regards to the target, this is the level that is confirmed by 2 fips. First is 88.6% fips applied to this correction wave down, and second is 161.8% fips applied to this correction wave down after breaking the trend line. You can see that price still remains above both moving averages, simple 200 and exponential, and this means that the trend still remains valid. There was a massive correction, so we can expect this move to the upside. So that's it, guys. Was the update on the Japanese yen, which is out, as well as the euro pound, and we're having the Australian versus Japanese yen. So talk to you soon and have a great day, and of course profitable one.